100 aircraft, 71 billion yuan. The largest single order of C919 landed in Shanghai. In this video, let us learn more about it. The much-anticipated China-made large aircraft C919 once again ushered in a landmark event. According to Xinhua news agency, on September 28, China Eastern Airlines, the world's first user of the domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919, signed an aircraft purchase agreement with COMAC again and ordered an additional 100 aircraft, on the basis of signing the first batch of 5 C919s in 2021. This is the largest single order for C919. China Eastern Airlines, as the world's largest user of C919, has fully launched large-scale commercial operations of domestically produced large passenger aircraft and a large fleet. In this regard, Hong Yong, associate researcher at the E-Commerce Institute of the Ministry of Commerce Research Institute of China, said, "This is an important milestone in the development of the domestic civil aircraft manufacturing industry, and it is also another successful practice for the C919 large passenger aircraft independently developed by COMAC to enter the market. This fully demonstrates that domestically produced large civil aircraft meet market demand and have been recognized by the market and trusted by customers. It also proves that domestically produced large aircraft have good competitiveness. This is of great significance for promoting the development of China's civil aviation industry and improving the core competitiveness of China's manufacturing industry." With the continuous delivery of orders, the C919 large passenger aircraft will carry more and more passengers to fly to farther places. So how powerful is China's domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919? On September 28, China Eastern Airlines announced that it had signed a C919 aircraft sales and purchase agreement with COMAC to purchase 100 C919 series aircraft from COMAC. The total list price is approximately $9.9 billion, and COMAC has given the company a substantial price discount. The list price for the purchase of 100 C919 aircraft is approximately 71.08 billion renminbi. In addition to China Eastern Airlines, other large airlines also have a positive attitude towards the C919 large passenger aircraft. At the previous annual report performance presentation meeting held by listed airlines, Air China stated that in 2010, the company signed a purchase agreement for 20 C919 aircraft with COMAC, and continued to pay attention to the progress of the C919. China Southern Airlines also stated that China Southern Airlines pays close attention to the C919 aircraft, maintains close communication with COMAC, and will advance follow-up work in accordance with relevant procedures. Judging from the delivery situation, COMAC has delivered 2 C919 large passenger aircraft. According to the above-mentioned aircraft purchase agreement, the C919 passenger aircraft purchased by China Eastern Airlines will be delivered in batches from 2024 to 2031. Among them, 5 aircraft are planned to be delivered in 2024, 10 aircraft are planned to be delivered each year from 2025 to 2027, 15 aircraft are planned to be delivered each year from 2028 to 2030, and 20 aircraft are planned to be delivered in 2031. We learned from the internet that the C919 large passenger aircraft is China's first mainline jet airliner, with independent intellectual property rights and independently developed in accordance with internationally accepted airworthiness standards. The range is 4,075–5,555 kilometers, and the seating class is 158–192 seats. The C919, which made its first commercial passenger flight on the 28th, has a 164-seat two-class layout divided into economy class and business class. There are 156 economy class seats and 8 business class seats. Both economy class and business class use China's new generation of domestic cabin seats, which have completely independently developed intellectual property rights. So, why is the C919 large passenger aircraft named C919? In fact, C has 2 special meanings. One is the first letter of COMAC, which means that the main manufacturer of the aircraft is COMAC. In addition, C is the first letter of China, which means China. This is a large passenger aircraft independently developed by China. The first 9 represents a certain meaning, which means durability and longevity. 19 means that the maximum passenger capacity of this aircraft is 190 seats, which is exactly between the 158-192 seats required for a landline aircraft. Taken together, the C919 means that it is a long-lasting, large-scale passenger aircraft made in China with a maximum passenger capacity of 190 seats. The C919 passenger aircraft uses a large number of new technologies and materials, such as advanced avionics systems, digital design, and composite materials. The C919 large passenger aircraft's exterior painting, cabin interior, passenger seats, and in-flight entertainment system have all been customized. On the front of the fuselage, there is a Chinese seal logo and the corresponding English words, "World's First." There are 20 12-inch ceiling-mounted displays installed in the aircraft cabin. This is the first time that China Eastern Airlines single-channel fleet has introduced 1080p program loading, which is fully capable of supporting 1080p high-definition projection. The domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 is a large passenger aircraft independently developed by China. Its comprehensive performance is at a high level from a global perspective and is already comparable to Boeing and Airbus. The design technology of the C919 is similar to similar international models, and it has mature and reliable aircraft manufacturing technology and design concepts. The C919 has also conducted independent research and development in terms of fuselage structure, aerodynamic shape, and aircraft system integration, while using advanced manufacturing processes and high-strength composite materials. The C919 has world-class standards in terms of flight control system, avionics system, communication and navigation system, etc. The flight performance meets the requirements of international civil aviation and can meet the needs of domestic and foreign markets. C919 was designed with safety and reliability in mind and adopted a variety of safety measures and system protection measures. In the past 10 years or so, every step of the growth process of the domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 has attracted attention from all over the world. From 2007, China officially started its large aircraft program, and in 2017, it ushered in its first test flight. For a whole decade, China's large aircraft plan has been seriously questioned by the world. In the eyes of some developed countries, China simply does not have the ability to independently develop large aircraft. In fact, the successful first flight of the domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 in 2017 proved to the world that China is fully capable of developing large aircraft of its own. The commercial application of the domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 marks that China's domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 has been fully integrated from research, and development, manufacturing, certification to putting into operation. China's domestically produced large aircraft has officially kicked off commercial operations and is now capable of challenging the monopoly of Boeing and Airbus in the global civil aircraft market. The domestically produced large passenger aircraft C919 completed its first commercial passenger flight, marking a breakthrough in China's aviation industry. The C919 uses independently developed domestic aviation components. The first flight of the C919 proved the achievements of the development of China's aviation industry, improved the independent innovation capabilities and technical level of aviation manufacturing, and enhanced the country's status and voice in the global aviation market. The launch and commercial production of C919 will drive the development of related industrial chains, improve the comprehensive strength of related industries, and thus promote the development of China's economy. The first flight of C919 will play an important role in improving the Chinese brand and play a positive role in China's influence and voice on the international stage. The plan to develop large passenger aircraft is an important part of China's aerospace industry and is of great significance to improving overall national strength, promoting economic development, and promoting technological innovation. Large passenger aircraft are a reflection of the country's comprehensive national strength. The advancement of domestic large passenger aircraft projects plays an important role in the construction of China's domestic industrial system and the improvement of technological innovation levels. At present, COMAC is developing in the direction expected by the industry. On the one hand, the placement of the largest single order means that COMAC is developing more market share, and the gradual acceleration of delivery speed also means that the C919 industry chain continues to improve. In the future, COMAC will gradually be able to match mainstream international aircraft manufacturers such as Boeing and Airbus in terms of delivery speed. On the other hand, COMAC's plans for future C919 models are also benchmarking against mainstream international models. The development of the extended C919 is intended to meet the needs of airlines pursuing higher economic benefits. According to the aforementioned practitioners, if the shortened version is benchmarked against the Airbus A319, then the extended version is benchmarked against another derivative of the A320, the A321. At the same operating cost, the extended length aircraft can provide more seats and may open up more airline customers, including low-cost airlines. The future market prospects of the C919 large passenger aircraft are very broad. The characteristics of the C919 passenger aircraft, such as energy saving, environmental protection, and low maintenance costs, are expected to give it more advantages in future market competition. Hong Yong said. COMAC is actively promoting the application of C919 large passenger aircraft in other fields, and the future market potential is unlimited. However, in the face of international competition, the C919 large passenger aircraft needs to further improve its quality and reduce costs in order to better adapt to market demand and expand the market globally. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.